Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. This video demonstrates the entire process of packing EPS foam products with a semi-automatic bagging machine. Here are the detailed steps. First, the operator needs to manually put on the PE plastic film bags at the 4 pole positions at the end of the machine to manually open the bag. Then, manually stack the EPS foam products on the operating table, where there are stainless steel baffles on both sides. Next, push the foam products into the plastic PE bag through the push plate mechanism. The sealing knife goes down to complete the film sealing action. The packaging is completed at this point. This method not only reduces the complexity of manual operations and prevents small EPS products from falling apart with manual assistance, but also improves production efficiency. The packaging process of EPS foam products looks more automated and convenient. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.